try an experiment here. We've got a whiteboard marker. We are going to draw a little stick man on the plate. So the little stick man. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to pour some water on the plate, and the stick man is supposed to lift right up. So let's see if he does.
Looks like it. Looks like it's about to come off. So, how about you use a little fork and I try and see if it'll
Do we have enough water on there?
Oh, what happened to the side? It went all weird.
It's a little lifted.
Yeah. Try and use a fork and lift it up and down.
No, it's supposed to just lift up on its own. Just give it a little shake.
It's coming off. Yeah, but it's coming off. It's working.
It broke in half.
It broke in half. It didn't break it. Because of the water.
Okay, let's give it a second try. All right, let's try it again. All right, so we're gonna draw. I think my marker is too wet.
No, it's working. Yeah, that's better. No, I'm just gonna try another stick man. I'm just gonna try one more time. So it's nice and black.
I'll make sure he's.
Hope it works this time. Yeah.
Okay, so we got our stick man. Now we're gonna use cold water instead of warm water and see if there's a difference.
Oh, it's working on the side of his body. It turned like that.
No, that's the water. That's mixing. Let's not do anything to it at all and see what happens.
Look at him to the side. What's going on? A little bit got off and it went over there.
Stomach? Looks like it. No, that's the water.
It's coming! I don't think the face is gonna get off though.
Eric.
If I was the whole thing, the marker was supposed to walk. It was supposed to. Let's do our magic.
Okay, so cold water didn't work.
The warm one.
Okay, yep, just pour a little in there. So, we're gonna draw our stick man.
That nice hot water that I do not want to touch.
I don't like that side. So there's our stick man, and we're gonna use some hot water.
It's already working. It already took off the ledge. It's because of the water pushing on it.
He's melting.
It's melting. So marker melts in hot water.
Piece by piece.
Yeah.
Ah, his stomach. No, it's the hot water.
Let's try warm again, except don't move the plate, don't touch it at all.
Oh, okay.
Just see what it would do.
Okay.
In the water.
We got a new stick man. Now we're gonna pour it off the side.
It's working! It came off!
Oh look, it worked!
It came off! Whoa! Okay, got it?
But he fell apart.
Yeah.
And
he's
That's it. Aiden was right.
Yep.
Warm water.
Without touching it.
Because when you
Let's try it one more time and see if we can keep him intact. Alright, so we have a new stick man. Pour the water off to the side. Very gently. It always breaks apart.
It just broke.
And I don't know.
But it did lift it up.
Again.
Yeah.
Maybe a different brand of marker will work better.
Yeah, because that must be too wet.
Wait, could I try?